I put out this video because Anderson doesn't make one available, which would help many that have a problem with one of their 3-point door lock mechanisms. I believe they do this so they force you to purchase one of their more expensive locks. The typical lock comes out or is removed by removing a series of wood screws along its edge and removing the door handles. The lock mechanism then slides out. To open the lock for repair will take some doing, since they riveted the two halves together to save money versus screws. I used a drill of equal size to remove just enough rivet surface to free the cover off. Drill away only what I show. Some of those that look like rivets do not require drilling. By the way, I failed to mention that my lock stopped functioning because of an internal broken spring. And in the process of separating the two halves, you may end up bending the cover a bit, but that's okay because it can easily be hammered flat again. Once you get it apart, it may not reassemble so easily because of the rivet holes are too small. To solve that, I drilled the openings bigger and I ground down the little tabs on the cover. Actually, I removed the two inner ones to ease reassembling. You only need two of them anyway. Some of the parts will fly off coming apart, and that's why I provide the video so you can reassemble it. As you can see in the images, I managed to get 90% of the components back in place, less two small items, a piece of flat square shaped metal and a small spring. You may wish to tape a piece of wood to hold the end latches in place while you assemble it to make it easier. Also, with those two pieces missing, the lock works just fine, by the way. The large 1-inch diameter spring that broke, I was able to get a close match from my hardware store. I cut it to size and bent it accordingly. Spring material is actually very hard, so you might need a small grinder. Once I put all the pieces together, I simply taped it together to hold on the edges. Mounted in the tight fit of the door, it keeps it all together. No need to re-rivet the two halves together. My door works just fine without the sharp snap to it originally had, but that's okay. Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com. Also check out my latest book, Presidential Treason of Three Stooges. It's available from Amazon.